What is up, everybody? So I figured I'd make a little video showcasing my tool pouch and some of the tools that I carry as a telecommunications technician. I work for one of the world's largest telcos. I'll let you guess which one. Anyway, here it is, the Veto ProPac TP4. This is a great tool pouch, probably one of the best I've ever used. And I sling it over my shoulder or hang it from a ladder or set it down on the ground, and it's held up extremely well. I've had it for over a year now, almost 2 years. It looks virtually like the day that I got it, and it has just the right number of pockets for all the various tools that I have to carry with me. No more, no less, which is great for helping me stay organized and not carry every tool that I own. Anyway, starting from the left here, we have probably the most important tool that I carry with this tool pouch, and that is the foreign voltage detector. Bet you'll never guess what this does. That's right, it detects foreign voltage. The cool thing about this particular tool is the conductive cap towards the bottom here. If you are working near high voltage equipment or there are overhead power lines, sometimes you can get a false reading due to inductance. You can actually bond this cap to ground and retest, and it'll tell you if what you're about to work on is actually hot or if it's just because you're in close proximity to something that is. One negative about this particular tool is it does not detect DC voltage. Still useful nonetheless, lifesaver. Also on the side, we have this banjo tool, extremely useful for working on testing circuits without having to open up a wall plate or jack. Just plug this into an RJ11 port and clip your test leads onto this tool and you're good to go. Very cool little tool. Combination needle nose. These are awesome. There's a stripper hole towards the end there. Haha. Then in the middle we have Scotch lock crimpers. Probably what I use these the most for. And of course, wire cutters. Nine-inch linesman pliers. The workhorse. These, of course, are made by Nipix. Got the crimping tool in the back there. Very high leverage. Very, very useful tool. We have our S&I or NID tool. Great for opening the telco side of demarcs. Our 216 tool, or can wrench as it's more commonly referred to as. Very well worn cabinet tip screwdriver. Equally as well worn Phillips 8-inch diagonal cutters or dikes. These are handy for working with shielded drop wire. Metal straw for fishing wire through walls. Very handy. Spudger. Coax wrench, which is designed to break at a certain torque so you don't over tighten fittings. Stubby multi-bit screwdriver, because inevitably what you are trying to work on is going to be blocked by 800 pounds of knickknacks conveniently placed directly in front of the wall jack. So good little tool to have for those instances. Oh yes, punch down tool for 3M B boxes. I loathe working in those cabinets, but when I have to, inevitably the punch down tool inside of them is missing, so it's good to have my own. Slip joint pliers. These are great for crimping S-clamps on drop wire. Let's see what else we have down in here. Hockey puck. Awesome for punching down keystone jacks. Saves your hand. Oh, I forgot I even had these in here. Wire strippers that I've never used, but I found inside of a B-box. They look alright though. Tone wand. This one's made by Greenlee. Works okay. Not as well as my Testo 200 FP, I believe it was, which I lost, unfortunately. This, I mean, like I said, it works okay, but I've had it quit working on me in the rain, which is a huge bummer. It's like being crippled almost trying to work. So, but it gets me by. Maybe someday I'll get a Testo again. Impact punch down tool with 110 blade up front and 66 in the back. Awesome little ratcheting screwdriver, great for opening up wall plates. I had a battery-powered screwdriver, but I found that it was a little too bulky to carry around, and just the fact that you need to keep it charged makes it not quite so convenient. This I can just grab, and it definitely saves my wrist. It just uses 1/4-inch hex shank driver bits, which I have plenty of in my cordless drill accessory set. Of course, my tone generator. Let's see. Button on this is getting hard to press. Of course, alligator leads with embedded nails. Adjustable wrench. Bit holder for the cordless drill with Phillips bit. Another Phillips bit for the ratcheting screwdriver. 1/8-inch masonry bit. Electrical tape on the strap here. And what phone guy would be complete without the butt set? I also carry this little pouch on my belt, which carries my electrician snips. These are not scissors. The way you hold them is like this. One finger, middle finger, or ring finger through one of the holes, and then you want to keep the other side in your palm. Gives you much greater leverage. It also allows you the dexterity you need to work without having to put them down. Wire strippers on the end there. That's primarily what I use for stripping jumper wire and IW, because I have these in my hand probably 90% of the time. Use them all the time. And of course, my sheath knife. Great for stripping the jacket back on cable. In the front pouch, we have various fasteners, screws, but primarily Scotch lock connectors. Stays closed, it's Velcro, nothing spills out. Again, the Veto ProPac TP4. Awesome tool pouch. There you have it. My tools. Thanks for watching.